How to transfer photos from Samsung to iPhone using Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to easily move all your photos between devices using cloud storage. First, on your Samsung device, open the Google Drive app. Next, if you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Following that, sign in with your Google account. Now, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Moving forward, tap on Upload to begin selecting your photos. Afterwards, tap on Photos and Videos to access your Samsung gallery. In addition to that, select all the photos you want to transfer to your iPhone. Once there, you can select multiple photos at once by tapping on each one. Subsequently, tap on Upload in the top right corner to start uploading to Google Drive. Moreover, wait for all photos to finish uploading, which may take some time depending on your photo library size. Afterwards, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data for large uploads. Then, once the upload is complete on your Samsung, pick up your iPhone. Within your iPhone, download and install the Google Drive app from the App Store if you haven't already. Alternatively, open the app and sign in with the same Google account you used on your Samsung. Once signed in, you'll see all the photos you uploaded from your Samsung. Then, to save them to your iPhone's photo library, select the photos you want to download. Within each photo, tap the three dots and select Save to Photos to add it to your iPhone gallery. And that's it! If this photo transfer guide helped you move your memories to your new iPhone, give it a like, subscribe for more device switching tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one!